Hello everyone, welcome back to our programming series. In today, we're going to solve SkillRack Daily Challenge. That is, we are implementing a logic flowchart using the C programming language. Let's break down the steps. Declare variables. We start by declaring two integer variables named x and y. These variables will hold the values that we'll be working with. Read user input. We prompt the user to input values for x and y using the scanf function. Comparison and loop. We check if the value of x is less than y. If this condition is true, we enter into a loop. Printing last digits. Inside the loop, we print the last digit of both x and y using the modulo operator %10. This operation gives us the remainder when divided by 10, effectively giving us the last digit. Updating values. After printing the last digits, we update the values of x and y by dividing them by 10, x equals x/10 and y equals y/10. This step essentially removes the last digit from each number. Loop termination. The loop continues executing until the condition x less than y becomes false. Once x is no longer less than y, the loop terminates, and the program ends. Thank you for watching. Feel free to modify this code to understand how different changes affect the pattern. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share for more programming challenges and solutions. Thanks for watching.